Shemai! This is a ukulele tutorial for Can't Help Falling in Love, and it's meant to go with our play along video, which you can find on the Ukuleleans channel, which matches this song, and there'll be a link in the description below. It's a nice easy song, one of my favourites, got to admit, and we're going to go through the chords to start with, and then I'll show you the strumming pattern. Seems like a lot of chords, don't be put off, there are 9 altogether, but they're generally very easy chords, so we'll go through those now. It's a C chord, an F chord, a G chord, a G7 chord, an A7 chord, an A minor, D minor, E minor, and a B7. And I'm recommended for this song that you play the B7 chord in the same shape as the E minor. So you've just got to move across the string. You will probably want to practice that chord change. And don't forget, if you're not sure where to put your fingers, check out the chord charts, because it'll tell you what strings to press, which frets to press, and the numbers indicate which fingers to use. So let's take a look at the strumming. Down, down, up, down, up. That's because this version of the song is in 3. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Try and play it with a bit of a swing. Use your thumb or your first finger. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Down, 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 down. Okay. Now some of you may be used to playing it in 4. In club in school, that's exactly what we do. Wise men say, only fools, and so on. But this version is definitely in 3, and Tyler Joseph does pull it around a little bit. He speeds up and slows down a bit, which just makes the play-along version a little trickier to pick up. Okay, so let's play through the song. It starts on a C chord, down, down, up, down, up. Please forgive my singing, I'm no Tyler Joseph. Here we go, get ready. Down, 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 down. Wise men say, only fools rush in. But I can't help falling in love with you. Shall I stay falling in love with you? Okay, single strums. Like a river flows surely to the sea, darling, so it goes. Some things were meant to be. Take my love with you. Single strums again. Like a river flows surely to the sea, darling, so it goes. Some things were meant to be. Oh, take my hand. I can't help falling in love with you, 'cause I can't help falling in that on our Ukuleleans play along. Don't forget to subscribe here. Thanks for watching.